How does EU-SILC measure social cohesion? Have you ever wondered how we can gauge social cohesion in our societies? The European Union Statistics on Income and Living Conditions, often referred to as EU-SILC, plays a significant role in this measurement. It focuses on how income distribution and living conditions impact social integration and equality among people. EU-SILC gathers detailed data that helps us understand various aspects of social cohesion. It collects information at both the household and individual levels, making it easier to compare across different countries in the European Union. One of the key areas it examines is income. This includes personal and household income, particularly disposable income, which is what people have left after taxes and transfers. This data is essential for measuring income inequality and identifying those at risk of poverty. Another important aspect is poverty itself. EU-SILC identifies individuals and households that fall below a certain income threshold compared to the median income in their country. This helps us see who is struggling financially and who might need support. Social exclusion is also a focus of EU-SILC. It looks at material deprivation and how people are excluded from participating in society. This includes factors like housing conditions and access to essential services. Understanding these elements is vital for assessing how well individuals can engage in their communities. Living conditions are another critical area. EU-SILC collects data on housing quality, health status, education, and participation in the labor market. All these factors contribute to a broader understanding of social inclusion and cohesion. To ensure that the data is comparable across different member states, EU-SILC uses standardized definitions and methodologies. It provides key indicators, such as the at-risk of poverty rate and the income quintile share ratio, which compares the income of the wealthiest 20% to the poorest 20%. These indicators help highlight disparities in income and opportunities. Data collection occurs annually through national probability sample surveys that target private households and individuals aged 16 and older. This approach combines cross-sectional data with longitudinal elements, allowing for analysis of changes over time. From a capitalism perspective, EU-SILC offers essential information about how income inequality and wealth distribution evolve within market economies. It highlights areas where capitalist systems may lead to uneven outcomes in income and living conditions, which can impact social cohesion. Policymakers can use this data to create strategies that promote economic efficiency while addressing social disparities. In practical terms, the information gathered by EU-SILC supports monitoring of social policy goals, such as reducing poverty. It also informs discussions on labor market policies, taxation, and social welfare programs. By quantifying disparities and exclusion, EU-SILC helps identify where adjustments may be needed to maintain social cohesion and sustainable development.